Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. I'm not sure if you trade with TradeDay, but I got the email, and some people had mentioned it on my stream today that they changed their withdrawal policy, and apparently it pissed a lot of people off, and they were letting TradeDay hear about it in the Discord. So I'm just gonna um, read out this email and let you come to your own conclusions. And obviously, if you don't trade with TradeDay, this doesn't really affect you, but this might affect your decision moving forward, whether or not you might, if you were thinking about trying them out. But I was thinking about trying them out, and honestly, to me, it seems a lot like Take Profit Trader. So I don't know. I already work with Take Profit Trader, so I'm not really sure if I wanted to move forward with TradeDay. Anyway, I've been waiting for them to do some sort of deal. The only difference I see between them and Take Profit Trader is they don't have a daily loss limit. Um, but with that said, let's read this. Let's see what happens. Let's see why all these people are up in arms. So this new policy goes into effect at 1 minute after the new whatever. What is that? On June 20th. Let's just say June 20th, right when the day starts, the first minute Central Time. 001, whatever. I don't know how to say that in military time. 12:01 a.m. Central. Okay, that's on June 20th. We are reducing the minimum payout request from 500 to 250. I see that as a good thing. We will require the TMD, which is the trailing max drawdown, to reach the starting account balance before an account is eligible for a payout. I believe that is what people are really upset about, because apparently they weren't requiring it. Maybe, yeah, I'm not, they weren't requiring that. So now they are. I can see people being pissed off about that. Sorry for the glare. So this is what it is. Traders can withdraw profits whenever they like, and there are no restrictions on the frequency of withdrawals. However, traders who take a subscription starting June 20th cannot take a withdrawal. They're putting this in there just, to make it official. Like it's like based on the contract or whatever, but cannot take a withdrawal until their trailing max drawdown has moved to the opening account balance. Meaning, it's basically saying it's often referred to as having cleared the buffer. When the buffer has been cleared and the trailing max drawdown has frozen at the account opening balance, there will be no restrictions on payouts other than a minimum withdrawal amount of 250, reduced from 500. So it seems like to me is that they are now requiring you to have a buffer and your trailing max drawdown be maxed out. Like you literally have to have it at the beginning. So if the trailing max drawdown on a 50K account is 2,000, for example, you got to have at least a $2,000 trailing max drawdown, which is very interesting. I don't know. Doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but I guess if they weren't requiring it before and now they are, it seems like it's going to be more difficult for certain traders to get a payout. And that's, all of these prop firms want us to make money, but at the same time, they need to make money, and they'll come up with rules or changes to their policy because it just, maybe they're bleeding money as a result of some of their policies, or they're not enforcing their rules, kind of like what happened with Apex. Now, all of a sudden, Apex is enforcing all their rules. So, the same thing is happening with TradeDay. It's their world and we just live in their world, when it's a game we play. So just keep this in mind if you were thinking about using TradeDay. If you are already using TradeDay, you weren't aware of this, just go to their FAQ and check it out. If you want to check out TradeDay just to see what they're all about, there is a link in the description below. If you want to check it out. I was actually liking TradeDay. It's on my list of prop firms to try. They just never have any great deals, and they're very similar to Take Profit Trader, like I mentioned before. So here's the trailing max drawdown balance required for a withdrawal. So starting balance, here's the breakdown. 10,000. Let's say you're at a 10K account. Starting balance, you need to get 11,000. That's what you need to get to. 25K. It's not that big of a deal. I don't know. It doesn't seem like that huge of a deal to me. As far as I'm concerned, you just need to get over the buffer. That's it. I think that's what it is. But you need to be over it. So anything over is what you could take out, with 250 being the minimum. So that's about it. It's just like Take Profit Trader as far as I'm concerned. So just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. I'm just reading it as well. So anyway, that's all I got for you regarding TradeDay. Just figured I'd bring it to your attention in case you were not aware of these changes, because it might affect you depending on whether or not you're getting payouts and all that stuff. So anyway, I'll talk to you soon. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. let me know what your thoughts are. If you are trading with TradeDay and this effect impacted you, let me know. I'd love to hear about it, or what you think about this, or what they're saying in the Discord. And if you like hanging out on streams, or you're around, I stream every single day during regular trading hours between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern. I try to hop on. I get on between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern. I try to hop on closer to 2 p.m. A lot of times I get on around 2:30, and then I stream to and through close, usually after 5 o'clock. And then I stream during the overnight, right around the London session. I hop on anywhere between 2:30 and 3:30, and I hang out for a couple hours. Then we always have a great turnout. There's awesome people who hang out. You get to watch me trade like a degenerate, and you get to hang out with really awesome people. We're also, a lot of them, most of them are good traders, if not better than me. All of them are better than me. Let's just put it. Let's just be real. Most of them are better than me. Some of them are newer, you know. But anyway, that's all I got for you today regarding TradeDay. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.